Hey everybody, it's Brian. I'm here with another really cool project. This is another great one for the indoors. This is the Flyzone Albatros, just a little microplane. And this is the ready to fly version. Anyways, let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Okay, as usual for this type of model, it comes in its own carrying case. So it's all packed in, ready to go. Just first of all, look at, it comes with a manual, how to put things together and attach the battery and so forth, how to bind it. There's also comes with a battery. If you look, the battery is, and I'm really happy to see this, usual just chiclet type of battery. The same kind that works with the Blade Nano and my Foresight, so I don't have to get new batteries for it. Don't think this is going to be a high-powered model, so you know, the old tire batteries will probably work quite well with this. Looks like there's some stuff in here. What is? Okay. Oh, here it comes with the machine guns. Looks like that installs somewhere on the model. Let's pull the model out. And check it out. What a nice little plane. Cool detail. You get the motor there. I like the Albatros series of models. I mean, airplane, the German original fighter. Because of the shape, it's a really nice shape of the fuselage, especially with the integrated spinner and everything. There's the tail skid, wheels. It even comes with, well, yeah, here's where the battery goes. There's a fair bit of dihedral and the undercambered wings, so lots of dihedral to help it in the turns, because it's rudder and elevator only, well, plus the throttle. So that's the model there. Oh, looks like it comes with a little guy, a little pilot there. You can plug in, you could probably paint them or just drop them in, or just exclude them altogether. Also comes with the radio, and there was actually some batteries as well. It came with a full set of high energy alkaline batteries, so you're essentially good to go. And this also charges the battery. If you can see here, you just plug the battery in there, so if you don't need to buy any kind of charger or anything like that. It charges in the transmitter. That's a pretty common thing, but also very useful. Usual sort of, it's very light field gimbals, which is good, but it is small, so it's, you know, for guys with bigger hands, it might be an issue. And of course, it comes with digital trims as well. But for a 2.4 gigahertz setup, I think this is a pretty nice model. So let's take it to the gym and see how it flies. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure well, it's nice not having any wind draft and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
No mosquitoes either. I know mosquitoes. And the battery actually is lasting pretty good. No, I got a little close. It's got something to do with the buttons. I remember reading in the book how to reverse. You have to hold the buttons and do something. The only one you can reverse is up and down. Yeah. I'm kicking myself now for something else. Maybe upgrade the camera. It's been great, huh?
Yeah, that's right. Where today's when we used to build new skills, you have that pride of ownership because you spent the winter in the basement building your time.
You also don't do that in the place.
Okay, here it is. This is the Great Plains Micro or Ultra Micro Albatros. And the first thing I got to say about it is it's very easy to fly, like really easy to fly. It was very, very stable. It would, if you put it into a bank, it would really want to hold that. It was very, I'm not going to say very responsive. It was enough throw on the elevator to start with. The rudder with the stock setting was a little bit less than I would have liked, and just means that turning around in the tight gym, it was yeah, really had to crank it around with full rudder. So I moved the control rod into the center hole of the control horn. I had to remove the horn to do that, but with that improvement, it was much better. It wasn't you weren't going to over control in any case. Very easy to take off and land, and I had so much confidence in it that actually some of the footage that you saw was the someone I didn't know. I handed the hand transmitter to them who said that they were a beginner. So I had that much confidence that it flew that well. Some things you didn't see me doing were some of the tight turns, and that gym has a very low ceiling, and I was able to get it to do a loop. It kind of smashed the ground at the bottom, but there was enough elevator authority that I could bring around for a loop. So all in all, a really good, nice looking model, but easy enough to fly that I would say that for someone who's a reasonable beginner, they'd do quite well with this. So once again, this is the Great Plains Albatros, Micro Albatros, which is available from SN Hobbies at snhobbies.com. Thanks for watching.